Hello, in today's video we got this Honda Civic back again for a noise described as a tapping noise. And although that noise doesn't quite sound like a tapping noise to me, that noise definitely shouldn't be there. Well, on second thought, I guess if you listen to it from here, it does actually sound like a tapping noise. And a quick tapping noise like this can normally be associated with valve train noise, which includes components like your camshaft, rocker arm, springs, valves, etc. So what I like to do at this point is rev it up. If it is an internal engine noise, it should get quicker and possibly louder as I rev it up. And it does actually get quicker as I rev it, but as I'm here listening to it, it sounds like it's not quite coming from under the valve cover. It actually sounds like it could be coming from this valve, and yes, sure enough, if I place my finger on the purge valve, I could actually feel the same tapping sound. Now if I'm correct, if I disconnect the valve, the sound should go away. And sure enough, it does. I actually replaced this valve a few months back, so good thing I won't have to show a step-by-step process on removing and replacing this valve. I will have that linked up at the top or at the end of the video, in case you do want to watch it. But good thing for me, I get to use my power tools, so this should go quick. Well, let's see how fast I could get this valve off. Quick buzz to the air filter cover bolts. Now the 2 or 3 bolts that hold the housing. And loosen the clamp holding it to the throttle body. And now pop this housing off. Giving us access to our valve. 2 screws to remove with the Phillips head screwdriver. And remove the 2 hoses attached to the valve. And just like that, we got it off. Luckily this valve had warranty, but I decided to get a different brand and exchange instead. So I guess we'll see how this new one pans out. Now just install this new valve, which I'll skip the reinstall as to not make this video longer than necessary. And just like that, our new valve is on and the noise is gone. Although it is normal to hear it slightly, but nothing like the other valve was. Well anyways, I hope you found this video helpful or can be useful to you if you have a similar vehicle with a similar sound. Please click that thumbs up button to support my video and my channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button.